Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to configure a laptop for printing, but already the printer was there. The problem is we shifted from wireless to network cable because the wireless was off and on, off and on. So now once it's like that, sometimes it's a problem also you cannot print even if you put in the cable because it has already configured the different IP address already. So what you do, you go to control panel, then we look for devices and printers. Then after that we look for that specific printer, devices, keyboards, then click at scanners and printers, then click on this. You can see it says offline. So once it says offline, you click on it. So once click on it, you can say properties, printer properties. Sometimes updating now. Okay, once it comes to this level, what you're going to do, MPC 3004. Okay, what you're going to do is you go to advanced, then you can see where drivers are. You say drivers, then you can click on it, on that one, then say new driver. Let me see new driver. No, we don't need new drivers. Say advanced, you click on port. On the port, after choosing this, remember that the port already, the printer is using a different IP address, not the IP for what you for the old one. So this is the old IP. So now what you do is configure port. You click there. After clicking on what you want, so what you do, you go to your machine here. You want to get the machine's IP, so you go to user tools, then you say machine features, then click on system settings, then you click on interface settings. Then you can see this is the machine IP. So remember it was using another maybe network, then the IP changed. That's why it doesn't print and say it's offline. What you do, you click here, delete that, then you just put 0100. So you're making it to be 100, right? So then you're gonna say okay. Once you say okay, that simply means the printers, the laptop is gonna be using the new IP. So for that we can go here. We can exit. Then once we exit here, so we're gonna see if it's still 100. Click on here and say configure. So you see it's 100. So nickname, you can change it or not, it's up to you, but it nicknamed itself like this. So you say okay. So after doing that, okay, then you say apply. After applying, then you say okay. After okay, then let's see what's gonna happen. We can minimize this and you say Word, Microsoft Word. We can go in there. So I want to try see if we can print. I'm gonna say LL. I'm gonna print a dot. Just I don't want to waste papers. Say print. You can say it says ready, right? But it was saying offline. Okay, printing. Print that. It should come if the drivers are fine. You can see it's printing. Wow, it's 100% fine. It's printing. So yeah, well, that's it. So since we've done that, you saw what we've done. You just change the IP. So okay, I think that's it. I'm going to Test it. Yeah, it's gonna. She's gonna test. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna work on this one. Also, I'm gonna do a video on how to put a static IP on the machine. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We've been working on MPC 4504EX. It's a Ricoh machine, so I'm sure they are printing from that. Okay, there's a printout coming. Yeah, those are the printouts. She's doing printouts. Okay, okay, pretty cool. Okay. That's fine, guys. So we done that, so we are cool. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and do all the necessary things so that you, okay, if you have something like query, remember you go to where? You go to user tools, machine features, system settings, interface. That's when you change that's where you check your IP address for the machine. That's then you give it to the what? To your to your laptop, right? Okay, that's fine. Go home, exit, exit, exit. Home. That's it. Fine. We don't have any issue starting from now, so all is fine. So yeah, I think that's going to be the conclusion of our video. That's the machine we worked on. Okay, you can see also the toners are full and all that, you get me. So and they are original toners, so yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, all that, do that. Yeah.